Yeah. Oh my god, he's so strong. Got real nice forearms in this shot.
Nice.
Nice
Do you
forearms.
like them?
Yes.
My
yes.
guns.
Yes.
They're very feminine though, sadly. Problem with this kind of work.
Oh my god.
Here we are in Sweden. There's the Gatehouse behind me. Today we are going to take the cladding off of this corner here because the bottom foundation is leaning out and this whole wall is kind of leaning out. So we're going to take this cladding off. That's the plan. Please subscribe, see how we get on. Maybe the building's going to fall down. Maybe. You can see how much the boards shrink. Like these would have been put on here originally when the timber wasn't like fully dry. They probably just milled it and then put it straight on, and so the boards shrink. Maybe we will be doing the same. I'm not sure how dry we can get the timber. All right, this window is just held in with a few nails, which I'm going to use the Tyrannosaur to cut through. Ready? Weighs nothing at all, mate.
Hey.
Okay, so everything's beautifully braced. The wall's empty. We have the old Kango, and now we're going to chop out this first bit of foundation and see how it goes. And hopefully the whole thing won't fall down.
No, guys, please.
If you jumped up,
Yeah.
if you A bit more?
I don't know.
Nice and straight. Except for that next bit which is sticking out, but this wall is beautiful. Beautiful and straight. All right. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today. I'm going to try to do these little video diary things every day or every couple of days. I'll see how I get on. Sometimes I'm just totally wiped out. Yeah, but that was this bit of foundation taken out. Tomorrow we're going to take out that bit of foundation and move a whole load of tiles. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you very, very soon.